Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Godwin. So, in this hour, I want to tell us how we can make use of www.gatnews.com. First of all, the main reason of creating GatNews is for individuals to create news, input their videos, create questions, and create music, which is putting their music in GatNews just for an awareness. So in GatNews, we have many functions and buttons which people do not understand. But at this moment now, I have realized that I have to teach people how to use GatNews for their own benefit. In GatNews, when you are using GatNews, you make incomes through it. One, you create ads in it. You become a marketer, an advertiser in GatNews. How? There are people, there are goods outside, and there are websites where, like all these affiliate website, where you can log in and get some ads, the link of any ads. Though that aside, I will come to that later, because I will tell you how you can use all those things in GatNews, how you can make money by creating an ad in it. Also, with this GatNews, you make your own business, personal business, to go viral. You can write an article about your own business. You can write articles about someone's business. These are ways of making money online. Some people are online making money, and some people are online wasting their data. At month end, they will start complaining, I don't have this, I don't have that. Whereby some people are using their data online to make money. So I feel that I want to express this knowledge to people and how they can make use of this website, www.gatnews.com. With this, I believe people that even though you have a job, in 1 hour in GatNews you have make something. 1 hour in GatNews you have make something. 30 seconds, 2 minutes, you have made something online, just for you to know what you are doing. That is it. So don't fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can get more videos as we continue to teach you how to use GatNews and other of our websites. Stay tuned. Thank you.